Hello. Hi everyone. Good afternoon. As part of the today's lecture, I just want to give you a brief overview on our weights. So in our program, whenever we are writing down the code, we need a weights definitely in our program. Why? Weights are used for a synchronization purpose. So it means sometimes the mobile app will take a more time to load where your program may not wait it. So definitely you need to add a weights in your program so that it can have an actions properly in that particular place. So that's the reason weights in the real world will play a crucial role. How exactly you can perform these weights operation? In XCUITest, there is a direct mechanism basically, which is wait for existence. So wait for existence is a mechanism which can be used on an element. On an XCUI element, basically, this wait for existence comes into the picture. For suppose this is what an object is, right? App dot a static text. So this is what an object is. Dot wait for existence. I want you to wait for maximum of 10 seconds for this particular object and then perform the next operation. So wait for existence is the internal command that you need to use in order to wait until the element got displayed, and you need to specify how much time it should wait, basically the 10 seconds. This is the most commonly used wait. As said, the most commonly reason why we are using waits is certain applications may take a more time or certain objects may take a more time to load. In such situations, you can't use a sleep, right? Sleep is a hard-coded time which can't be used always. So that's the reason we are going to use a wait mechanism here. Wait for the existence of this particular element so that you can perform the further operations. When you run it, in this application, you don't find much differences. But when there are certain applications where it will take more time to load the objects, in such situations, you can find a much difference here with respect to the wait for existence. So the ultimate objective here is wait for existence. Element dot wait for existence, you need to specify the timeout with which the specified amount of time will be waited for that particular object to display. And in the real world, sleep is the command we need to avoid, and we need to use the wait for existence. Okay, perfect. Done.